Hello everyone, and welcome to this demo of Informatica Cloud's Midstream Connector. Now we've made several enhancements to the Cloud Connector SDK that now allow you to take advantage of increased abilities using Informatica Cloud's integration templates. Let's find out more about how you can do this. The enhancements made to the Connector SDK now allow customers and partners to make use of Informatica Cloud's integration templates to design complex processes between cloud, on-premise, and social applications, as well as databases in a single integration workflow with all the complex transformations and aggregations you would want. To start using Informatica Cloud's new Midstream Connector capabilities, you'd have to start by configuring a template and importing it into Informatica Cloud and configuring all the different display parameters under the Other Parameters section. Once you've gone ahead and configured them, you're now ready to start using it in a custom integration task. Now when you're using a template that makes use of the Midstream Connector capabilities within a custom integration task, it starts off just like any other custom integration task, whereby you import your template, give it an easy to remember name, and you go ahead and pick your source. After you go ahead and pick your source and you move on to the target portion of the custom integration task, that's where you're first going to encounter some of the more powerful capabilities of the Midstream Connector. Now obviously the Midstream Connector's purpose is to connect a whole bunch of different applications together in one single workflow. So your template would obviously have multiple targets defined. Once you're in the Other Parameters section, you can go ahead and select whatever objects and fields you want from all the different midstream targets that you've defined in your template. After you do this, you'll notice the ability to map different fields from your midstream targets to either other midstream targets or the final target itself in the same easy-to-use interface that you're used to with an Informatica Cloud. And you can do this for every single midstream target that you've defined within your template. Once you've mapped the parameters for all your different midstream targets, you can go ahead and run the custom integration task as you would any other custom integration task, and it will go ahead and execute as normal. And that's how you make use of the new Midstream Connector capabilities within Informatica Cloud. Thanks for watching. To take a trial, go to www.informaticacloud.com and click on the free 30-day trial button.